no, no, no. Oh, no, no.
Hey love, so today's video is going to be all about this wig unit that I got from Atina Hair. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the initial unboxing of this wig unit, and then I'll show you guys exactly how I prep the unit for install, show you how I installed it, and then at the end of the video I'm going to be giving you guys my final thoughts on this wig. So if you guys are interested to see all about this unit, definitely keep watching this video.
For the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get bad over here. But you have to do what you have to know. No, closing mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Gonna ask me no, cause I ain't afraid to say I love you. Yeah, I ain't afraid to tell the world I love you. I ain't afraid to tell my boys I love you. Girl, you make it so easy. Make it so easy to love you, baby. And I just wanna make it last forever. So make it last so big, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Baby, I need you. Girl, you're my angel. I know you probably had enough of me, yeah, I know. But I just can't get enough of you. Cause you're so perfect, girl. I'm your student, I'm still learning, girl. You already won the race, and they still running, girl. I want this for the rest of our lives. So make it last so big, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day, like. Yeah. Forever all day, like. Yeah. Forever all day, like. Yeah. Forever all day, like. Oh.
Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing. Love is the music that keeps us dancing.
I'ma sing it like ooh,
Keeps us dancing. Let me sing like
yeah. So make it last so big, yeah. Cause girl, it made me laugh all day, yeah. Girl, I just want us to keep going on. I just want us to keep going forever all day long. Yeah, yeah, forever all day long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Forever all day long. Forever all day. Yeah. Forever all day. Forever all day. Yeah. Forever all day.
My channel. So today, as you guys saw earlier in the video, this is an initial review of my Atina wig that I got from Atina Hair. The unit that I actually have on right now is their 13x6 lace front wig. It is the Kinky Straight, and it's on, yeah, it's the Kinky Straight. It's 18 inches and it's 200% density. Okay, so you guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know my thoughts about this wig unit. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching. So before we get into the initial review, I do want to apologize for my lighting. One of my lights went out, so it looks a little bit dark. I'm hoping that you guys can still see everything even though I'm down to one light. But anyways, let me go ahead and start with the review. So basically with this unit, I would definitely have to say the texture, the feel of the hair is amazing, you guys. From the time that I took it out the bag, which I actually showed you guys earlier in the video, you saw the texture of the hair. And then once I applied heat to it with my flat iron, like, this definitely looks like a blowout look. I love the fact that I was able to curl the hair with the flat iron, and then I actually did go in with my curling wand as well. If you guys don't remember, it is this curling wand, and I just kind of, you know, went through the hair a little bit more just to make sure that I have more of a defined look. The length as well as the density, I'm so glad that they actually did send me an 18-inch. And if you guys are looking for a full look, I highly suggest that you guys get the 200% density, because it's going to look super full, super natural and realistic. Another thing about this unit is, as far as like with the hairline and the knots go, I did notice that the knots were a little bit dark, but as you guys know, I do not bleach the knots on my frontals because I know that it weakens the lace. So I try to use like some type of foundation powder or some type of wig knot healer. So that's what I did go and do, and I think it, you know, it looks pretty good for me not having to bleach the knots. But like I said before, I did notice that the knots were a little bit dark. The hairline was super easy to pluck. I think that the unit did come pre-plucked, but of course I always have to go in and pluck it some more just to make sure that it looks as close as possible to my natural hairline. I didn't have any issues with that, with, as you guys saw earlier in the video, with me plucking the unit. I just used a standard tweezer, and the hairs were coming easily out of the lace. So if you guys are looking to go ahead and pluck the hairline, you definitely will have no issues with stubborn knots. You guys are wondering whether or not this unit sheds, mats, or tangles. It is shedding a little bit, and of course the reason for that is, as I see, is because I did go in and pluck the hairline, so I am getting, you know, some loose strands here and there, but it's not excessive. I have not experienced any type of matting or tangling with this unit. I'm easily able to go ahead and run my fingers through it even after I apply. And I think with this unit I did apply more heat than I usually do with my units. One was because I was trying to curl the hair with just a flat iron, and I just wasn't going for, I wanted more of like a fuller curl, so I did go back in with the curling one. But as you guys can see, I'm still not like experiencing any type of like heat damage or tangling with this unit as of yet. Last but not least is would I recommend this unit for you guys to go ahead and check out. And as of right now, yes, I do recommend you guys go ahead and check out Atina's Kinky Straight wig unit. I love it. I love the parting as well. Like I stated before, it is a 13x6, so you do get a lot of parting space here, but around the hairline you only get like a little bit of parting space. So if you guys are looking for like a full 13x6 frontal, this unit is not it. It's more of the 13x6 is, well, the 6-inch parting space, I should say. The 6-inch parting space is more around the front of the hairline instead of the sides, okay? So like I said, I would recommend this hair if you guys are interested in a full Kinky Straight wig unit. If you guys are interested, I will leave all the information as well as the direct link to this unit that I have installed down below in the description section. If I did not cover anything, which you guys know I tried to cover as much as possible, but sometimes I do forget. So if I did forget something, you can always leave a comment down below in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. So you guys, once again, I want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel, watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have, like I said, any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh na.